Hi there, and welcome back to SpreadsheetPoint.com. In this brief video, I will explain the two most helpful Excel functions for personal finance. First one will be the FV function, which will be to calculate the compound interest for an investment. So here's the formula in the context that you're going to use. It's going to include the rate, the number of periods, the payment each period, the present value of the investment, and depending on when are the payments due at the first or the end of the month. Let's go through this example right here. So if you invest $5,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, compounded monthly over 10 years, the formula would be as such. Equals FV, rate. What's my rate? So our rate is 5%, and you're going to divide it by 12, NPER. What is my NPER? It's the number of periods. So we're going to be doing 12 months times 10 years, right? 12 times 10. The payment, let's say there's no additional investment. So let's just say we put in the $5,000 into an investment. Okay, so that will be zero. The present value, make sure the present value is a negative number. Let's put in that $5,000. And then this is the part of the function that's a little bit irrelevant, but let's say you're making the payments at the beginning of the period. There's no payments, so it's kind of irrelevant. We'll put a zero there, and there you go. It gives me the number. So if I invest $5,000 at an annual rate of 5% compounded monthly over 10 years, the formula would look like that. One thing that's cool is that you can actually put these numbers in cells. Let's say you're working with a worksheet that has these numbers in here. So, you have 5,000 here, you have 5%. Let's say this is automatically annualized. So I'm going to equals divide it by 12, and you get a monthly rate essentially. You can actually, instead of typing it in the formula, you can just reference the cell. Okay. Such. Here, I forgot to make this negative. Just like that. Okay. The second example is Excel can actually calculate when a debt will be paid off using the NPER function. I set this sheet up the same way, so you can have this for reference. So let's determine how many months it will take to pay off a $10,000 loan with a monthly payment of $300 at a 6% annual interest rate. 0.5 monthly. Okay. So let's do this. Equals NPER. First thing is the rate. So we're going to do the 6% annual, 6% divided by 12, of course, because there's 12 months. The payment is $300, and the present value would be the $10,000. Future value, we're going to be paying off the entire loan, so we don't want to put that. And we'll put this zero since payments are due at the end of the month. So 30. So why did it put a negative? It's because I forgot to put the negative for the payment amount each month. Enter negative if it's an outgoing payment. Okay. So using this logic, how many months will it take to pay off a $10,000 loan with a monthly payment of $300 at a 6% R? It will be 36.5 months. I hope you found these formulas and functions helpful. For more information, please go to spreadsheetpoint.com and don't forget to like and subscribe.